Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here live at we're not live.
We're not live.
We're videoing.
We could be live.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, hanging out with
Al.
And we're going to tell you what's up in American Eagle.
What's up?
Al, what's up?
Well, this weekend we're having a Lowrider S and ST takeover. That's right. The baddest bikes we make, if you ask me. If you have a Lowrider S or ST, get up here. If you don't, come buy one. If you've never ridden one, come ride one. We're literally talking 117 high output motors, inverted front forks, the freaking new soft tail platform, beautiful colors, S's and STs. Come ride them. I would love to get out and ride with you this Saturday on my favorite bikes.
Yes, because you had told me it was your favorite bike. So
I'm buying one this month. 5th bike.
So what, $1,000 customer cash?
$1,000 customer cash, yeah. And if you're
only on the new 25 or 26 models.
Yep, Lowrider and Lowrider ST. And if you're a veteran or first responder or current active military, you get $500 more.
That's an additional $500. How awesome is that? I mean, come on out and test ride one of these babies if you have not already.
Yep.
I think they should come hungry because fried ribs and fried ribs and more to go is going to be here filling our bellies.
Absolutely. And get a tattoo if you want to.
Yeah.
Not by me or Lisa, unless you really want us to give you a tattoo.
You
Probably
don't
not.
Eric's going to be here tattooing. The American girls are going to be washing bikes. Bike wash is back open again. Our front awning is done. So come on out and join us because we have so much going on this weekend. And you know what else? Speaking of the Lowrider.
Hit me with it.
The Lowrider ST is Rolling Arkansas has begun. So come on in and get registered. I'm covering this up because it's my keywords for the week.
You got to come to get those. We don't give them to you for free.
Yes. Yeah. Come on in here. Get registered for Rolling Arkansas. You can win a 2026 Lowrider S or one of 10 trips to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue to be on the stage to turn that key for that baby. So come on in. Get registered for that. Test rides.
Yeah, test rides.
We still giving away flags for
We're giving away flags. We're going on test rides. Any bike we can test ride, but literally Lowrider S and ST takeover. Also, I know Lisa mentioned it, but the front of our store's open. Big awning, giant fans. Come sit in the shade with big fans and look at the Lowrider S's and STs.
And hang out with us.
Hang out with us.
We're going to be here. All we need is you. So we'll see y'all Saturday.
We'll be here. Cool. Cool. We did it.
We did it.
Another one.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm excited for it. These are literally my favorite bikes. Come get a Lowrider S or ST from me.